Assalamualaikum and good morning to all. Today, I will present a research title, Gender Differences in Chemistry Academic Performances of Gifted and Talented Malaysian Students. The members of this research are Nursakinah Mazhar, Azrina Mat Azhari, Afifah Muhammad Razzi, Nur Nadia Lani, Nurul Suzaina Joli, Jamalia Hamdan and Nurul Haidah Daud. We are from Pusat GENIUS Pintar Negara, Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia. Pusat GENIUS Pintar Negara is located in Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia in Selangor. This institute is a national gifted center designed for gifted and talented students who have high ability in thinking. As we know, normal school in Malaysia offers the STEM subjects such as chemistry, biology, additional mathematics and physics at Form 4 and Form 5 level, which the students' age is 16 and 17 years old respectively. The national curriculum only offers basic science syllabus to Form 1, Form 2 and Form 3 students with the age of 13 to 15 years old. According to Azman and Kavasi, gifted students need more challenging curriculum to fit and encourage their ability. Therefore, Pusat GENIUS Pintar Negara provides a special curriculum to suit the needs of gifted students in Malaysia, as the mission of this center is to be the fountain of inspiration for STEM and research in gifted and talented education. Chaudhary in 2016 stated that gifted students can be gifted in a range of knowledge domains. The giftedness in one domain does not guarantee that they are gifted in other domains. Some of them may display underachievement and learning difficulties. However, gifted students are often intrinsically interested in science. They need more challenging curriculum to fit and encourage their ability. In GENIUS Pintar College, the national curriculum of STEM subjects is taught to the foundation students, which are Foundation 1, Foundation 2 and Foundation 3 with the age range from 12 to 15 years old. They are taught in class the standard syllabus of Sijil Pelajaran Malaysia, which is SPM, that has been enriched and compacted with related higher syllabus from Sijil Tinggi Persekolahan Malaysia STPM and syllabus of first degree university. The table shows the chemistry topics covered in each examination for Foundation 1, Foundation 2 and Foundation 3 in 2015 until 2017 respectively. The Foundation 1 syllabus comprised of Introduction to Chemistry, Basic Laboratory, States of Matters, the Structure of Atom, Periodic Table of Elements, and Quantum Theory of the Atom. These topics compute the basic concept in chemistry, and it is very crucial for students to master the topics to understand the higher level topics in the next 2 years of learning process. From our observation, the syllabus become harder in Foundation 2 and Foundation 3, yet the students become more comfortable with the content and they have already understood the basic concepts during Foundation 1. Learning chemistry at an early age also requires students to imagine and visualize the idea of a particular topic. For example, in the topic of the structure of atom, students need to imagine the electrons surrounding the nucleus of the atom in their orbit as the universe system, where the planets orbiting the sun in the fixed distance. Students cannot simply memorize the facts, and they must also be creative in understanding the topics. Previous study revealed mixed findings regarding the gender differences in science achievement. In 2011, Hofstein and Mamluk-Neyman stated that girls exhibit more positive attitudes towards chemistry in some cases, and boys' attitude was more positive in other cases. finding from Freeman 2014 reported that gifted girls in Britain were surpassing gifted boys in academic as the British curriculum and assessment incorporate styles and content that encourage female study patterns. Besides that, research in the United States show that gifted boys consistently outperform gifted girls in STEM subjects and nonverbal assessments, while gifted girls outperform in verbal tests. This study aims to assess the difference in chemistry academic performances between male and female gifted and talented students in their foundation levels in Pusat GENIUS Pintar Negara, Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia. This study was conducted at GENIUS Pintar National Gifted Centre located in Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia in Bangi, Selangor. A sample of 69 gifted students within the age 12 to 13 years old were selected for this study starting from 2015. The students were divided into 4 classes and all of them were taught with the enriched chemistry syllabus for 2 hours per week. These students sat for chemistry examinations that were set in March, May, August and November for 3 years from year 2015 to 2017 in order to assess the students' understanding level or achievement in chemistry. A total of 12 sets of chemistry examination scores of each student were collected. The results of the examination scores provide the degree of the student's understanding or achievement. Descriptive statistics of this data were computed and analyzed by using the SPSS version 20, providing the mean differences and the association between the gender and chemistry academic performances of the 69 foundation students of GENIUS Pintar National Gifted Centre. As for the demography of this study, 50.7% of male students and 49.3% of female students sat for chemistry examination from the first examination in March 2015 until the fourth examination in November 2017. And now, let's look at the results of this study. The results of this study were illustrated into 3 charts separately. All charts show that the mean of the scores for each examination in each level is different between male and female students. In all examinations during Foundation 1, Foundation 2 and Foundation 3, male students have a higher average chemistry examination score than female students, except in the second examination during Foundation 3 in 2017. However, the difference between the mean scores of gifted male students and gifted female students is quite small. The results of this study were supported by other findings. In 2010, Busolo stated that gender disparity also exists in chemistry performances in secondary schools of Kakamega district in Kenya. He reported that female students continue to score lower than male students in chemistry. According to Hudson, the students' performance was influenced by type of questions and the content type of the question. He also found that the male students' performance was better than female performance on the multiple choice questions. Findings by Azman in 2018 stated that there are no significant differences existed in biology academic performances based on gender among the Foundation 1 of the Malaysian gifted students, while Velu in 2015 claimed that male students obtained higher achievement in chemistry compared to female students. This study also found that female students' score is higher than male students' score in the third examination during Foundation 3 in 2017. The topic taught, which is SALTS, is more conceptual and need good memorization. This is supported by Lechman et al. And Good et al. In 2013 and 2012 respectively. They stated that male students obtain better marks in mathematics than female students, while female students obtain better marks in the subject of literature. Reviewed by Hudson R.D. on a research by Boley, Allen, and Payne, it is reported that male students tended to outperform the female in chemistry and mathematics courses because male students' natural self-confidence and belief in the importance and need for mathematics. The data collected was analyzed using paired samples correlations as shown in the table to confirm the association between gender and chemistry academics performances. It is clearly stated that 11 out of 12 examinations show no significant differences between gender and students' academic performances in chemistry, as the value greater than 0.05 indicated that there were no influences between gender and students' academic performances in chemistry. The results conclude that the male and female students have same level of understanding in chemistry. However, it is suggested that this research should be extended to study the relationship between gender and learning styles of gifted students, students' interest in chemistry, and different grades with a larger and more extensive cohort to clarify these findings. With that, I end this presentation with thank you.